So this is how you can change your text tone on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the basic way is to check out these settings and go to these sounds and literally find the text tone right here. But as you can see, I have some custom ones below. So, you have like prepared options, a few of them, which is fine. You can choose between them, or you can purchase something additionally on the Tune store, right? Or, Tone store. It still works. But the best way, in my opinion, would be to make sure at first that you are running the latest version of iPadOS, which is at least iPadOS 26, because in that option, or in that version, we have the ability to add our own sounds to be the text tone as well as the ringtone. So the way that it would work in this latest version would be that I would go to the Files app of the iPad. I would make sure that I have some MP3 file, something perhaps I recorded myself or whatever, and I'll be able to hold it down on that particular file and click on More Options like that and click on Share, and I now have the ability to use it as my ringtone. So I can literally add any MP3 file to be my ringtone, and not only that, I also have the option to basically just use that ringtone for other purposes, not just for incoming calls, but as you can tell, also for the text tone, right? So if you have again, MP3 file, which is shorter than 30 seconds, that is kind of the limitation, but you can choose it to be the ringtone, and inside of the text tone settings, you can also as well pick the ringtone, right? So you can basically pick any sound for your incoming messages sound. So that is how it works. I hope that I could explain it well to you. Let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the next tutorials as well.